We can also use the psoback on the top part of our quad. Same thing, we can put both peaks on either side of the quad here, go back and forth, or we could use one peak at a time to really get into that top quad muscle. The peaks are really nice here. The surface area is perfect. Get in between there. When you find a tender spot, slowly start to bring that heel to the butt. Nice and slow. Main thing here is we don't want to feel any numbness. If you feel any numbness, just come off. Now I'm using just one section of these peaks, getting a nice little deep tissue. It's like that elbow, that thumb, that knuckle, just same thing. Pull that heel to the butt. This will create that shearing force. The muscles gliding against those peaks. Work all the way up towards that hip, that pelvis. There we go. Remember to focus on breathing. If you feel any numbness or any tingliness, back off, go to the other side, come back, try it again, and don't overdo it.